Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. I did about 5,000 miles on the truck. This is going to be the follow-up video for the catch can. I just drained the oil out of it. Oh, Lordy. Might not be able to reach it from the front. Might have to go around the side. I remember years ago we had a little tiny step. Now I've made the step a little bit higher, and I'm going to have to go up yet again. Ooh, yeah, I'm not liking this at all. This is going to fall. I'm going to hate that. So there's my catch can. I'm going to just set it down right here. Let me get a measuring can. I'm going to snap a quick picture of it. So, 15,000 miles. I'm going to do my first top engine cleaning with the AC Delco stuff. I will be making that video for sure. So, let's see. I'm going to call that about an ounce. So I know that don't seem that much to you folks, but it is quite a lot to bake onto your valves. That's the oil that'll bake onto the valves on a direct injection vehicle. This truck here will take a 020. And I'm sure you guys seen that video where I put it on. I hope you did. If not, look it up. This company here is certainly not a sponsor. I'm somewhat having a little bit of a hard time getting to that. I might have to get on a ladder here. Trucks are getting taller, or I'm getting a little bit fatter and shorter. That could be too. It's a possibility. Get catch can back on there. Of course, got to fill the oil. The 020. I actually told them to give me the oil and look it up for me. I hadn't even looked at it, and I was like, what? But it is. Wrap this video up. Not going to bore you with the oil change itself, but anyway, Just wanted to do the follow-up on the catch can. That was about 5,000 miles on the oil. So in 5,000 miles, we had approximately ounce and a half. So that being said, you know, that was about a quarter ways into that catch can, and that is probably all I'm going to be willing to go. Otherwise, it still has the opportunity to pull it in there. So I'm going to wrap the video up here. Thanks for watching. Oh, just in case anybody is interested, these newer engines, they will hold 8 quarts of oil. And they do have a different filter. I did make matter of fact, I made a phone call today. I guess I mentioned that as well. I use Wix Napa Gold. Napa Gold is the same thing as the standard Wix. Now, I know there's going to be some feedback on this here, but I can only relay to you what the engineering, what their own engineering department told me today. So, here goes. The Wix XP is recommended for synthetic oils. That's true. The Napa Platinum is a Wix XP, same exact thing as what they told me. It's the same exact filter. Just like the Napa Gold is the same exact filter as the Wix. Like I said, again, I can only relay what I was told. Now, actually, we had a conversation. If you're running synthetic oil and you're extending your runtime on it, your miles that you're driving, you must use a Wix XP, since those are fully synthetic filters. I mean, the media inside the filter is a synthetic mesh. However, on short distances, like 5,000-6,000 miles that I do on my oil changes, and yes, this is what they had. I used an extended performance, makes no difference to me. The standard Wix filter is your best bet. The standard Wix filter has a finer micron rating than the Wix XP. Well, that comes straight from the horse's mouth. One is 21, the other one is 40 something, 44 or something. So the standard Wix filter is the way to go if you're doing oil change intervals that are in between 5 and 6. Okay, figured that I add that in there. Take it or leave it. I'm not going to answer no questions on that. I just relayed to you word for word what they told me today. So see you on the next one.